The 2004 Ford F-150, legendary for hauling, towing, and also, frustratingly, that door ajar warning that refuses to quit. The dash just keeps blinking no matter how many times you slam the doors shut. It's enough to make you question reality. A lot of people think it's the latch or the wiring, or maybe the universe punishing you for wanting air conditioning on a summer day. But 9 times out of 10, it's the door ajar sensor, buried in the latch assembly. Ford tucked it in there like a secret you're not supposed to find. If you ignore it, prepare for consequences. The dome lights stay on and drain your battery. According to some forums, especially in colder climates, you'll be jump-starting every week. We're talking dozens of people with flat batteries, over a $19 sensor hiding in your door. Here's the kicker. This isn't just an annoying light issue. The F-150's computer thinks the door is open, so you can't lock the doors with the key fob, and the security system won't engage. That open door can wreck your night if you park in sketchy places. Step 1. Find the culprit. The F-150 has a separate sensor in each door latch assembly. You can't just pull a fuse. Get in, start the truck, open and close each door one at a time, and see if the warning disappears. If it does, you've found the suspicious door. Pro tip: sometimes the rear doors are the real villains. They look innocent but are notorious for collecting grime, and most people never suspect them. If your kids use the back seats, or your friends do, start there. Once you've figured out which door is the problem, it's time to pull the door panel. Remove the window switches and handles with a trim tool so you don't snap any clips. Trust me, replacements add up fast, $8–10 a pop at the dealer. With the panel off, you'll see the latch assembly tied into the wiring harness. The door ajar sensor is built right into the latch, not some standalone piece you can just unplug. This is one of Ford's little engineering quirks that maximizes headaches. The smart play is spraying the latch with electrical contact cleaner before replacing anything. People have saved hundreds by soaking it down, cycling the latch with a screwdriver, and wiping out years of sticky grease. Sometimes this works. Sometimes it's like arguing with a cat, briefly satisfying, but ultimately futile. If it fails, you're looking at buying a whole new latch assembly. On average, that's $40 to $80 and a couple of hours of work, or $250 plus if you take it to a shop. Labor rates are the real killer. Mechanic time is billed like it's brain surgery. Take your time, follow the latch sensor wiring to the connector, and swap in the new part. Reverse the order, reassemble, test for that sweet, sweet no warning dash. I know guys who have chased this problem for over a year before getting the fix right. And if you want to avoid it altogether in the future, make it a habit to clean the latch with lubricant or electric cleaner every oil change. That's $6 can every few months. Insurance against the door ajar light drama. So yeah, this is classic Ford, a tiny hidden sensor that affects 3 different systems, costs you real money and sucks away your time. But with these steps, you beat the system and win peace of mind, plus a quiet dash at last.